After the age of 60, many people notice their legs feeling weaker. Climbing stairs becomes harder, balance may feel off, and even walking for long periods can be tiring. But what most people don't realize is that this weakness is often linked to vitamin deficiencies, not just aging. There are three essential vitamins that play a direct role in leg strength, balance, and mobility after 60: vitamin D3, vitamin B12, and thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Vitamin D3 is vital for keeping your muscles and bones strong. As you age, your body produces less of it, especially if you get limited sunlight. Low D3 levels can lead to weak muscles, joint pain, and a higher risk of falls. Getting enough D3 can help improve muscle function and overall stability. Vitamin B12 supports the health of your nerves. A deficiency in B12 can lead to tingling in the legs, poor coordination, and difficulty walking. Many seniors don't absorb B12 as well through food, so even a normal diet might not be enough. Supplementing can restore nerve function and help prevent further muscle loss. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, helps your muscles convert food into energy. Without enough B1, your legs may feel heavy, tired, or cramp easily. It's especially important for seniors with reduced appetite or poor nutrient absorption. If your legs feel weaker than they used to, these three vitamins might be the missing link. Talk to your doctor, get your levels checked, and make sure you're getting what your body needs. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Let's age strong together.